400,000 dirhams in just 2 weeks. That's what we managed to make one of our Platinum Club members here in this very building. I'm here in Marjan next to Al Barari. I've got an apartment building here, a RAS residence, and this is where a seller reached out to us that during the conflict that now of course has ceased and things, have calmed down, but they wanted to get out because they'd, made their money in Dubai, and you know what, they'd had enough. Each to their own. But those of you who stuck around, like ourselves in Dubai, are here to make money, and those opportunities are here. So that person reached out. They had a 2-bedroom apartment here in this building, and they knew who the guys were to call to get in touch with, who could help them get out of that, who have the contacts to, get them some money down on the table quickly. So they reached out to us. They were happy to sell what we call a distressed deal in Dubai, which is a below market deal. 2-bedroom apartments in this building, we knew were at least in the sort of 1.2 million range upwards. And this seller, once we spoke to them, they wanted a quick cash deal on the table for them. They were happy to sell their property and let it go for 950,000 dirhams. So we've got our Platinum Club members, of which to join the Platinum Club membership, you need to pay 50,000 dirhams plus VAT. That is the current price to join our membership. And the beauty of it is not just are you in it for life, so it's a one-off payment, but also you get 50% off all your fees. But the biggest incentive that worked out for one very lucky Platinum member of ours on this building was that you get these amazing deals offered to you before they go to anybody else. So we reached out straight away. We told someone, we said, look, we've got this property, 2-bedroom apartment in Marjan. It's a good area. As you can see, there's still lots of development going on. So it's an up and coming area, but of course there are some mature properties here, like there are here at RAS Residence. Good sized 2-bedroom apartment, very good ROI. And we said, look, this is on the table here for 950,000. It's cheap. Do you want it? So absolutely, he decided to snap it up. But here is the beautiful thing, because we're in the business of making money, and especially for our Platinum Club members. Only 14 days, we got that 400,000 dirhams. So how did we do it? Well, this is how. 950,000 agreed, done in 2 days. In a further 12 days, we managed at the start of which to find a new buyer who had a mortgage and their bank valued this property at 1.35 million, which is no surprise because again, that's kind of the market rate on these properties. So there's an uplift of 400,000 straight away. So straight away, someone's putting the money in, we're getting them a 400,000 uplift, and we even managed to arrange the mortgage for the new buyer and current owner of the property. Now, a lot of people say they do all these things, they say they make money. Where's the evidence? As you can see, we've got the DXB Interact. You can see the transaction. I'm happy to share that. But yeah, DXB Interact, 1.35 million. There it is. This property was secured. You've got 80% loan to value because the new buyer, of course, had to do a 20% down payment for their mortgage. If anybody does want us to help them get mortgages or get mortgages arranged, we work with some fantastic brokers, and we can work it on villas, apartments, whatever it is. And you can also be a non-resident as well. Any information you want on mortgages, just reach out to us at mortgages@maynardauctions.ae. But coming back to this very deal then. So it's all wrapped up in 14 days, 400,000 dirhams made for our Platinum Club member, which, is absolutely amazing. That in actual US dollars term is just over $108,000. Now, I don't know who is making that money in 14 days legally and tax-free, but we've managed to achieve it here for one of our very happy members. So if you are interested in joining the Platinum Club membership, like I mentioned, 50,000 dirhams plus VAT, you can get that money back in one deal and profit, just like the member has here. Again, if you want more information, it's on the website, maynardauctions.ae under Platinum Club, or just reach out to us again, info@maynardauctions.ae. All links are in the description below, and you can find out everything you want. So, in the midst of chaos, things, you know, are potentially a bit topsy-turvy in Dubai. There's still uncertainty. We tell it how it is on this channel, as you guys know who've been watching the podcast. And if you aren't subscribed to us, do check out previous videos and hit that subscribe button as well. And come and join the family. We're a growing channel and we appreciate all your support, and we like the engagement. So if you want to know anything more about this deal, if you want to give us your thoughts, leave a comment below. We're always happy to engage. But what I want to say is that yes, things are a little bit tough. We've mentioned about people's jobs. We've said some restaurants are closing. We've said some hotels are going down, but those of you who are still here in Dubai can make money on properties like this. We'll find the deals. Of course, if anybody wants us to reach out to us as well, who, you know, has their reasons for leaving, because you don't have to be scared. You don't have to be afraid of Dubai. You may just have changes in your life where you need to go. Reach out to us. We can get a deal done on the table quickly. If you want an instant cash offer, even on a property, just reach out to us and we can always, you know, get that offer to you. And you never know, it might be what you're looking for. Likewise, we also, of course, are doing auctioning of properties. That's our, you know, what we primarily do. But we're also, again, helping people out in off-plan as well. We still do consulting off-plan. So if you want to know anything that we do, again, check out the website or do reach out to us. But I think what I'd like to do as well, because we're celebrating a win today. Who doesn't like making money like we've made for one of our members on this property? So I'm going to get him on a call. Let's hear his words. Because, do you know what? I'd like to speak to him today and just see how delighted he is. And why don't we just ask him what he's going to do with all the money he's made? 400,000 dirhams in 2 weeks. Amazing. Right, let's give him a call, shall we? I hope he's up, by the way. Hi.
Hello. Hi, how are you doing? How are you, Joe? You good?
Yeah, I'm all good, thanks. How are you?
Yeah, I'm really good, man.
Okay, that's great, mate. I'm giving you a call actually because what it is today, I'm actually making a brief video about your deal and you know, what we kind of put together and what we achieved for you. Okay. Yeah, so I just wanted to kind of, you know, showcase the Platinum Club. So you don't. I thought you won't mind us giving you a call, do you?
No, I don't mind. What deals have you guys got there for me?
Well, actually, it depends how much you've got around you.
Well, I've still got plenty there on the side at the moment, Joe. Plenty there on the side at the moment. So yeah, that's not an issue. That's not a problem.
Oh, that's great. Well, what it is I've explained to the audience what we've managed to achieve for you in this video I'm doing. And what we'd actually really like to know is if you can kindly, whilst on this call, let us know what you're kind of going to do with your money, what you're planning on doing next.
Right, well, so obviously I've got quite a bit there on the side, so I'm looking to reinvest the majority of it into it, back in, you know.
Okay, yeah, that's great to hear. Well, actually,
yeah, that's what I'm planning to do.
I might actually have something else for you. So what I'm going to do is I'll send that over and I'll get you all the details over on that one shortly.
Yeah, please, if you can, that would be a great help. Yeah, if you guys have got something else there, you know, what's going to work out to be a really good deal for me. Yeah, I'm totally interested. You know, I'm up for making, you know, more money.
Oh, that's good to hear, man. Apart from that, are you looking to do anything else?
No, basically just looking to reinvest into, you know, into apartments and things like that. You know, so yeah. Okay,
great. Well, sounds great. You know, we love to hear that. And you know, what I want to do after this, I'll get you all the details. But we hope you know everything goes well for you. So I'll get that over to you, and I'll give you a shout next time.
Yeah, no, definitely. Yeah, no, I just wanted to say a big thank you to you guys at Maynard for you know, everything that you've done for me so far. You know, it's just been absolutely spot on. I can't fault you lot one bit. You guys are just so open and transparent, and you know, everything's just been smooth sailing, I suppose. So yeah, everything's been brilliant. You know, even to the point now, I'm looking to take a couple of weeks off. Gonna go on a nice holiday with the family to Barbados. So you know, I'm looking forward to it.
Oh, that's great, mate. We love to hear that. All right. So, like I said, I'll get you those details over. I'll let you go, and I'll catch you again later.
Please do get them details over, and yeah, so you know, we can just get on to the next chapter, and you know, start making some more money.
All right. Cheers.
All right, then, lovely, Joe. Cheers. Take care.
Cheers. Bye now. Bye.
Cheers. Bye.
Well, there you have it, folks. That's one very happy Platinum Club member. As you can see, he's ready to reinvest with us, and he's made enough to go on a holiday with the family to Barbados. So that's fantastic. So that's what we like to do. Again, if you want to reach out to us and join our Platinum Club, links in the description below, and see you again.